In today's video, I am decluttering and cleaning out a cabinet in my laundry room. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. This video is an open collaboration, and there are so many wonderful creators who participated in this collaboration as well. The title of this collaboration is Fresh Start Cleaning and Decluttering. So you can clean, you can declutter, whatever you want to do in this video. I will have a link in my description box of the playlist of all the people who participated this month. And if you are interested in joining this collaboration, please let me know. You can comment here or you can let me know on Instagram. Today I'm going to clean out this cabinet. It needs lots of love and attention. It is a cabinet that houses beach towels and cleaning supplies. As far as beach towels, we used to have tons of people at our pool every summer and we could never keep enough beach towels. However, we are in a season of our lives where we do not need that many beach towels, so I'm going to try to cut the amount of towels that we have in half. The cabinet also houses cleaning supplies for zone cleaning, and I am going to go through the cleaning supplies and I'm going to discard anything that I do not use or that it has expired. And then I'm going to put it all back together again. So this is the cabinet that I am cleaning out. This is the side that has lots of beach towels that we use for the pool. And this is the side that has cleaning supplies, so you can tell it needs lots of decluttering and organizing. So here we have the cabinets emptied in this disarray in front of me. I have a trash can, I have a box for donations, and I have a box for items that need to go elsewhere. So I'm going to start, I think, with the cleaning supplies, and then I'm going to move to the beach towels.
I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you, what things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. We should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? Will you let me down?
If you are new to my channel, my name is Jen. I make a variety of content here on my channel. I am a former teacher and I love to teach you guys how to do things and to motivate you as well. I am also a heart warrior and would love to have you in my YouTube family.
I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? Will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted?
So now that I'm finished, I have all of this to donate, which I'm going to, of course, transfer to a larger box. I have these beach towels to donate. I have these little things to rehome, and I have this that I am questioning whether I want to rehome it or whether I want to go ahead and give it away. Oh, and also I have this cute little thing. I got it, I cannot remember where I bought this, but I'm sure they have something similar on Amazon, but it's like this little bag and it has this zipper. And inside the zipper, there is this whole beach blanket. And so it stays nice and tidy in this cute little bag. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Remember to check out the playlist in the description box, and thank you guys so much for watching and spending your time with me. And remember to take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.